The megalodon, the largest shark to ever roam Earth's oceans. A creature so massive, so powerful, it ruled the seas for millions of years. But what happened to this ocean titan? Was it a sudden extinction or a slow, mysterious disappearance? Today we're diving deep into the untold truth about why the megalodon vanished and what secrets it left behind. The apex predator of the ancient seas. The megalodon wasn't just a big shark, it was the super predator of its time. With a length of up to 60 feet, 18 meters, and a weight exceeding 100 tons, it was 3 times the size of the great white shark, its closest living counterpart. Its mouth, lined with serrated teeth that grew up to 7 inches long, could exert a bite force of over 40,000 pounds per square inch. To put that into perspective, this bite could crush a car with ease. Its hunting strategy was ruthless, targeting whales, dolphins, and other marine mammals by delivering fatal blows to their rib cages. This predator dominated the oceans during the Miocene and Pliocene epochs, from around 23 to 3.6 million years ago. Fossil evidence, particularly its teeth, suggests the megalodon thrived in warm, shallow waters where prey was abundant. Yet despite its unrivaled reign, the megalodon vanished from the fossil record approximately 3.6 million years ago. Climate change and habitat loss. The story of the megalodon's extinction begins with a changing Earth. Around 3.6 million years ago, the planet entered a period of cooling that eventually led to the Ice Age. This shift in climate caused tropical waters, the megalodon's preferred habitat, to shrink and relocate closer to the equator. Cooler ocean temperatures weren't just a discomfort for this massive shark. They also altered ecosystems, affecting the availability of prey. Prehistoric whales, a primary food source for the megalodon, began migrating to polar regions where colder waters provided new hunting grounds, but ones inhospitable to the megalodon. In addition to climate challenges, rising and falling sea levels during this period reshaped coastlines and disrupted marine ecosystems. The shallow coastal waters that the megalodon favored became less stable environments. These changes created a perfect storm of ecological pressure that likely played a significant role in the shark's decline. As the megalodon faced environmental changes, it also encountered new competition. The emergence of the great white shark marked a pivotal moment in marine history. Unlike the megalodon, great whites were smaller, more agile, and better suited to adapt to cooler waters. They began to compete directly with the megalodon for food, targeting similar prey like seals and small whales. The megalodon's massive size, once its greatest asset, became its greatest liability. It required a tremendous amount of food to sustain itself, far more than the great white. In a world where food resources were diminishing, smaller predators with lower energy demands had the advantage. Fossil evidence supports this narrative. As megalodon teeth became rarer in the fossil record, the presence of great white shark teeth increased, suggesting a shift in dominance. It wasn't just competition that sealed the megalodon's fate, but the inability to adapt quickly enough to an ever-changing environment. While environmental changes and competition are widely accepted explanations, some scientists have proposed more dramatic theories. For instance, an asteroid impact similar to the one that wiped out the dinosaurs could have caused widespread oceanic disruptions, leading to the collapse of marine food chains. Another hypothesis involves a supernova explosion approximately 2.6 million years ago. Scientists speculate that cosmic radiation from this event could have damaged marine ecosystems, indirectly contributing to the extinction of large marine predators like the megalodon. Though these theories are speculative, they highlight the interconnectedness of life on Earth. Even the most dominant species can fall victim to forces beyond their control. Despite scientific consensus that the megalodon is extinct, stories of its survival persist. The ocean is vast, with over 95% of its depths unexplored. Could a creature as large as the megalodon really elude detection? Enthusiasts point to unexplained sonar readings, mysterious sightings, and the sheer mystery of the deep sea as potential evidence. However, scientists argue that such a massive predator couldn't survive undetected. It would need a large, stable population to avoid inbreeding and a significant food source, neither of which seems plausible given modern ocean ecosystems. Additionally, no recent megalodon teeth or carcasses have been discovered, further debunking the idea of its survival. The megalodon's extinction is more than a historical curiosity. It's a stark reminder of how ecosystems can collapse. Climate change, habitat loss, and food scarcity remain threats to marine life today. Sharks in particular face overfishing, pollution, and warming oceans. Could they meet the same fate as the megalodon? Studying the megalodon helps scientists understand the delicate balance of marine ecosystems. By learning from its extinction, we gain insights into protecting today's marine predators and preserving biodiversity. The megalodon was a giant of its time, a creature that ruled the seas with unparalleled power. Its extinction, while still shrouded in mystery, offers lessons about resilience, competition, and the fragility of life. Today, its legacy lives on in the DNA of its descendants, like the great white shark. As we continue to explore the depths of our oceans, the story of the megalodon reminds us that even the mightiest creatures are not immune to the forces of change.